Today in the Real Estate Minute, I want to talk to you about goals. Hey, today I want to talk to you about goals and goal setting. It kind of came from, why did I get on this topic this morning, it came to me, I was thinking about a conversation I had. I was talking with someone, we were talking about what separates successful people from others. And when you really drill down to it, it's probably two things. It's habits and goals. Today I want to talk about goals. And so I believe very strongly that successful people set goals. They have identified what they want in their life, whether that's business, health, job, career, family, vacation, whatever it might be lifestyle-wise, but they've identified some goals, and then they've set a success plan to go achieve them. They're real clear though on what it is they want. They know those goals. So I challenge you, go take a look at your goals. Are they specific? Are they written? Are they really the things you want and want to accomplish? Or do you even have them written? If you don't, the big challenge is go get some goals written down. Let's start making things happen on purpose. Hope this is helpful to you today. I'll talk to you next time.